Using a calculator, Lamisha finds that 1.5 times 1.2 is 1.8. And she's asking, why does this rule about adding the number of places behind the decimal point not work in this case? Right? 1.5 has one place after the decimal, 1.2 has one place after the decimal. There should be two places after the decimal in the answer. Okay, well, let's just do the whole problem and see what happens. If I do 15 times 12, okay, ignore the decimal points. I get 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. And I add. I have 0, 8, 1, 180. But then I need two places after the decimal. So I need to move my decimal point 2 to the left to get 1.80. So this actually does not contradict the rule. The rule works the way it's supposed to. It's just that when the calculator did the multiplication and the answer was 1.80, they displayed 1.8 because those are the same. 1 whole, 8 tenths, and 0 hundredths is the same as 1 whole and 8 tenths. So these values are the same, which means that the process still works. The rule still holds in this case. We can also demonstrate what happened by drawing a area model for 1.5 times 1.8. So I did 1 unit down and then 0.5, 5 tenths, and then 1 unit across and 8 tenths. And what happens when I count up the hundredths? So when I count up the hundredths here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 8, which is 40 hundredths, which is just 4 tenths with no hundredths left over. So I have no number to put in the hundredths place other than a 0.